So hey guys, and welcome back to Leon and Co Gaming, and today is a huge video. We are doing our monthly refresh of the portfolio trading website, which is fully automated with Python. So yeah, huge update here. We have 3 strategies that, as I said last month, we're developing. They aren't live yet, but next month is confirmed they'll be live and we'll be able to test them. So those are the dividend strategy, the earnings strategy, and then the new earnings reversal strategy. But yeah, we're going with our usual sort of monthly Zach strategy update. So yeah, no changes to the website. I have my internship now, and yeah, I have uni as well, football, like so much stuff going on. So I don't think I'll be able to make any changes to the website, but the website is like so good now. Everyone, whenever I like make posts on T212, people are like, oh wow, what website, so many upvotes. On my last post I got like 20 upvotes or something, which for T212 is huge. So yeah, people are loving the website. You guys are also loving it. Always getting feedback from you guys. And if you want any new features, then just tell me. But yeah, let's get into reviewing how we did this month against the S&P. Well, no, quite a big winning streak. So hopefully that continues. But if it doesn't, we have quite a big pillow to sort of absorb the S&P beating us. So yeah, let's see how we did against the S&P 500. So guys, as you saw from that quick video, unfortunately we did not beat the S&P this time. So this is the old website. I mean, it's the same website, but just without the updated monthly performance. You can see I've already set up the other strategies. This was done last month though, when I had time. But yeah, you can see we're beating the S&P quite consistently. I think from here, from this point, like we lost the S&P here, but then we beat again. But yeah, unfortunately this month the streak ends. But you can see huge gap here. So normally when I refresh this, it should update to the new version. Yep, there you go. So you can see that S&P has done better than us this month, but we are still considerably ahead by over 4%, which is great. Huge cushion there. And anyway, the overall performance is great, right? It's gone for, was that, a year and 6 months? A year and 5 months, and yeah, perfect performance so far. No one can complain about 30% basically in a year and a half. So that's great. And then, yeah, as I said, basically the other strategies have all of the backend in place. So I won't show you the database there. You got a sneak peek if you really want to zoom in and pause the video there. But yeah, basically on our website now, there's so many users that we just implemented a database. Whenever the users get a stock from the dividend, the earnings, the past earnings, all of that goes into a database, and from that we can run back testing basically, because we track everything whenever they did the stock. So it tracks the price when they looked at the stock. It tracks the info, the earnings info, the dividend yield, when the X day is, all of that. So we have now implemented 3 strategies that from next month we'll be able to track. So dividend strategy is quite simple. It's just seeing if buying stocks that have a good rank and have the X dates, I'm buying them basically before the X day and holding it is worth it. Then for the earning strategy, this is probably the most profitable one, as I know, because I've been doing it myself. I just haven't been tracking the performance. But basically, you just buy a stock that's predicted to be by Zacks before earnings. And so, yeah, we'll be able to see the performance of that. And then earnings reversal is a new one that one of my friends suggested, which is quite simple. And you see it quite a lot in stocks. It's like the stocks always goes up, basically, argument for it. But basically, after earnings, right, you can look at sort of the surprise percentage, which is how they did not only in terms of EPS, but also in terms of revenue. And sometimes, even though companies beat and their guidance is okay, the stock still goes down, right? Because investors expected more. So the whole point of the strategy is to basically track the companies that beat earnings, but their stock price went down. And so the easiest way, well, we literally have I'll show you here quickly. We have a earnings and time, this one, sorry, and then fetch earnings. And when you go to a past date, it fetches like the surprise percentage for all the stocks that listed earning, posted earnings on that date. So you can easily track like, okay, what was that price on that date? What was that price before the earnings? What was their surprise? And then if the stock went down or not. And if the stock went down and the surprise was positive, then you buy the stock basically and you track it over a month. But yeah, very excited for next month. It's gonna be a crazy month because there's my birthday. My internship is ending like in that month in August, and I also have an exam then. So yeah, absolutely crazy stuff. Um, all the code is automated though, so I did the hard work when I had basically my exams finished. I had about 2 weeks of work of like free time basically, so I just grinded the website and then went straight to the internship. So the website is perfect now. We have the database, we have everything running, everything is automated. I can show you probably the coolest thing, which was yeah, the same that I showed you last week. Nothing has changed there. Um, but yeah, just to show you for the new people, like the potential of this website and why I've done. So all this comes from the database. As you can see, that means that someone looked at Apple on one of our endpoints on the 12th of July. So that was the last time. Wait, 3:32 a.m. To be fair, the website I've shared it to American people, South Africans. Um, I don't know if there's anyone from South America. I know there's someone in South Africa who did it, probably people on holiday as well. But I definitely know there's Americans using it and also South Africans that are like quite far away. But yeah, that's a crazy time. Anyway, all this is from the database. And then, yeah, all that you're seeing here is from, well, this is just from Yahoo Finance, right? Can do candles. You can change the time and it goes like different time frame. Pretty cool, right? And then you can see sort of a pretty cool tooltip. And then I don't know if I made it so, no, the chart is always green. Yeah, that makes sense. Um, and then this is just using the Trading 212 News API. You can see pretty cool. It's quite easy. Sorry, it's a software engineer's dream, like just having an easy API to use, being able to click next. You can even see the top comment. Someone said, as I said, 68 is coming. Apple at 68? Come on, man. What is he even talking about? 68? This is a. Wait. What is going on here? Uh, Apple price 59. Wait, when was this? July 15, 2025. Price 59. Oh, he's talking about MP. Because yeah, sometimes they meant to mention multiple stocks within one thing, so that makes sense. But anyway, you can see this website is goated, right? And the strategies are coming in next month. So yeah, we'll be able to track four at the same time. Very excited for that. Also very excited for myself because like I know they make money. I just haven't been tracking their performance yet. So it's going to be extremely exciting for everyone, I think. So yeah, that's the review. That's a monthly review, and next month is going to be a huge one, guys. So yeah, see you then, and hopefully you're excited or as excited as I am. So yeah, see you then.